Ọpẹ́ ni fún Ọlọ́run ẹni tí ó fún mi ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́.
Glory be to God, unto him who has given us the grace and the privilege to speak with us tonight.
Mo gbàdúrà fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olùgbọ́ ètò yìí.
My prayer to all listeners of this program,
Particularly gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
particularly to all who is assisting us.
Mo really appreciate yín púpọ̀.
My gratitude to you all.
Èmi nìkan kí mo appreciate yín.
I'm not the only one who is
Ọlọ́run
appreciating
àti àwọn olùgbé ọ̀run gan appreciate
us.
yín.
God and all the host of heavens are appreciating
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ dáwọ́ fún ètò yìí ní Sunday tó kọjá.
everyone that contributed towards this program.
Ó jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu mi púpọ̀.
It's something of a great surprise.
Lórúkọ Jésù, Ọlọ́run kò ní jẹ́ kí ẹ ṣaláìní.
I pray that we won't lack anything good.
Mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá bá wa sọ
I
lálẹ́.
have something great to share to us tonight.
Ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀run àpáàdì náà ni mo fẹ́
I
sọ
have
lálẹ́.
to do with hellfire.
Mo fẹ́ parí ìrírí mi lọ́run àpáàdì lálẹ́.
I want to conclude my encounter in hell tonight.
Section méje ni a mú mi lọ lọ́run àpáàdì.
The man of God visited 7 sections in hell.
Section keje ni mo fẹ́ sọ lálẹ́.
I'm about to speak about the last section, which is
Tí í
the
ṣe àgọ́ àwọn ọmọ aláìgbọràn.
which is the tent of the disobedient children.
Kí là ń pè ní ọmọ aláìgbọràn?
What do we call the disobedient children?
Àwọn ni ọmọ tí ẹnu bàbá àti ìyá ọ̀ká nínú ilé.
Those are the ones who are disobedient to their parents.
Àwọn ọmọ tó ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wulẹ̀ kẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ tó.
These are the children that no matter how you talk to them,
Ohun tẹ́ ni wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe yẹn gan ni wọ́n ò ṣe.
what you instructed them not to do is what they will do.
Kò sì yí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwa òbí pé kì í ṣẹ̀bi àwọn ọmọ
And
yìí.
many of our parents don't understand that it is not their fault.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ń tọwọ́ ẹ̀yin òbí wá.
Many of these things that are happening is coming from their parents.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ó lágbára fún yín
Let me
lálẹ́.
share the secret to you tonight.
Tó o bá jẹ́ ọmọ Ọlọ́run ní tòótọ́,
If you are a true son of God,
tó o sì mọ̀ bí Ọlọ́run bàbá rẹ̀ ṣe ń
and
ṣiṣẹ́.
you know how the God your father operates,
Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kó o mọ̀ bí Èṣù gan ṣe ń operate?
indeed you need to know how the devil also operates.
Ìdí ni pé tó o bá kọ́ bí Sátánì ṣe ń operate.
Because if you don't learn how the devil operates,
Nígbà tó bá yọ sí ọ, ò ní mọ̀ pé òun ló yọ
when
sí
he
ọ.
appears to you, you won't know it's the devil.
Èṣù wà deceitful, ó wà
The
trickish.
devil is so deceitful and trickish.
Àyànfẹ́ nìkan ló lè yé pé ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí iṣẹ́ Sátánì
It
ni.
is only the beloved that will understand that this is the devil at work.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tú àṣírí kan fún yín.
Let me reveal a secret to us.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìyá àti bàbá ń sọ fún ọmọ rẹ̀ láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù.
The words the father and the mother are pronouncing into their children
Ó ṣe pàtàkì
is
púpọ̀.
very, very important.
Òbí mi yóò jí láàárọ̀ èpè ni ó fi jí ọmọ ẹ̀.
Some parents will wake up in the morning and they start cursing their children.
Ìyá mi ó jí láàárọ̀ èpè ni ó fi jí ọkọ ẹ̀.
Mothers will wake up in the morning and they are going to wake up their
Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀
husband
mọ̀
with
pé
curses.
kíní yìí máa ń ní implications sá.
And we don't know that all these things has implications.
Baálé ilé mi á dìde lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì láàárọ̀.
Father in the house will rose up in the morning.
Èpè ni ó fi jíyàwó ẹ̀.
We had to wake his wife up with
Olùsí
curses,
olórí burúkú rẹ̀ sọ ní dìde ńlẹ̀.
rain curses on her.
Ìyàwó náà dá lóhùn.
And the wife also responds.
Ìwọ kíní aláṣẹ tí àfọwọ́njẹ ọmọ rẹ̀ lè tó lọ ìwọ táyé rẹ̀ ti
You
bàjẹ́.
also respond with curse.
Ẹ̀yin dẹ̀rò wípé
And you think
n tó dáa lẹ̀ ń ṣe.
a good and a normal
Ẹ mọ̀
routine.
pé technically ẹ ti ń bọjú alẹ́ àwọn ọmọ
And you
yín
don't know
jẹ́.
that technically you are destroying the life of these
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tí
children.
Bíbélì sọ.
Hear what the Bible says.
Ó ní orísun kan wà lè sun títù kó tún sun gbígbóná bí.
Can a source bear fraud both cold
Àwọn
and
yìí náà ló
hotness?
fi ń gbàdúrà sí Ọlọ́run lálẹ́ àná
The
kó
same
tó sùn.
tongue you use in praying to God.
Àwọn yìí ló fi kí èpè mọ́lẹ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí lórí ọmọ
And
rẹ̀.
it is this same tongue you use in cursing your son.
Ó láti mọ táìmù wo gan-an ni áńgẹ́lì máa ń rìn.
You also need to know the time the angel
Tí ò bá
passes
mọ̀
over.
jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ọ.
If you don't know, let me tell you this.
Angel Gabriel,
Angel Gabriel,
ó ní Minister for Information lóde ọ̀run.
ó jẹ́ alákòóso fún ìròyìn in heaven.
Ìgbà mẹ́rìndínlógún ló ń yí ayé
And
epo
it
lójúmọ́.
revolves around the earth 16 times daily.
Tí èpè rẹ bá bọ́ sí one of these 16 times.
When if you are raising costs at the point it's passing by,
Jẹ́ ìṣòótọ́ fún ẹ, Júpítà ò lè ré kíní yẹn kúrò lórí ọmọ tàbí ọkọ ẹ.
nothing will change the cost you've placed. on them.
Àwọn ìwà yìí ti mú kí àgọ́ àwọn ọmọ aláìgbọràn kó kún lọ.
This act has made the tent of the disobedient children to be merged in heaven.
ẹ̀yin bàbá màmá
Parents,
ẹ lè má rò pé ẹ wáyé tí yín ọmọ wá tiẹ̀.
you'll be saying that I've come to a world of my own life.
ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ ń sọ tọ̀rọ̀ fún ọ dádì mami.
But let me tell you this reality.
ọmọ tó bí lè gbàjọba ọ̀run lọ́wọ́ ẹ fáínfáìn.
The children you gave birth to can take away the kingdom of God
ọmọ
from
tó
you.
kọ́ ní ọ̀nà ọlọ́run.
The children you fail to teach the way of
ọmọ
God.
rẹ ti wáyé institution ó ti dọ̀gá lórí ẹ̀ nínú ilé.
Your son and your daughter are undergraduate and they've been your boss.
gbọ́ mi yóò lẹ́yìn lọ́jọ́
There will
ìkẹyìn.
be repercussion at the end of the day.
àánú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òbí ṣe mí.
I feel pity for many parents
torí pọ́nmọ wọn ti wáyé institution.
because your children are in the
ó ti di
institution.
controller lórí wọn nínú ilé.
Now he is the one controlling you.
ìyá ń lọ sí chọ́ọ̀chì ọ̀tọ̀ àti bàbá.
Father is going to, and the parents
ọmọ
are
ń
going
lọ
to a separate
chọ́ọ̀chì
church.
ọ̀tọ̀.
The children are going to a separate church.
ẹ̀wọ́n dẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé
And
Fọlákẹ́ ń kọ́.
where's Folake?
ẹ wo aṣọ gbàlàdà fún gba ìwò sọ́ọ̀sì àwọn sọ́ọ̀sì kan làwọn ń lọ
They are
sí.
going to some particular church.
dìdìrín ni ọmọ ọ̀rẹ́ ni sọ fún ọ ní.
Then something is wrong with you.
ibi tó wà tó ti gbàdúrà tádùá rẹ ti.
Where you are and you prayed and then your prayer was
ọmọ
answered.
rẹ wáyà institution ó boycott church yẹ.
Now your son is in the institution boycotted the church
ó nítorí pé wọn ò sọ English ń bẹ̀.
because there's no spoken English there.
ẹjẹ́ ń sọ tọ̀rọ̀ fún
Let
ẹ.
me tell you this.
ẹ̀yìn tí ó ní ipá rẹ ò ní ká.
The consequence will be great.
ọmọ rẹ ń wọṣọ tí ò dáa nínú ilé.
Your son or your daughter is wearing an immoral
ó
clothes.
lè sọ̀rọ̀.
You can't talk.
ó ń wọṣọ tí ò dáa
He's
jáde.
wearing immoral clothes outside
àwọn
of
ọmọ mi
the house.
àwọṣọ gidi tó nọ́mà nínú ilé.
Some children will wear something good at
nígbà
home.
wọn bá lọ wọn tẹ bá ń jáde wọn ó kó aṣọ ìgbàlódé
When
sínú
they are
báàgì.
going out, they will pack another cloth inside their bag.
à ń gbọ́n bá wá tó bá chẹ́ǹjì tán níta
When they now change,
wọ́n wá dàbí ọmọ òrìṣà.
now they look like an idol children.
gbogbo ìhòòhò wọn dẹ̀ ń faralẹ̀.
And they are revealing their nakedness.
ẹ wá sọ pé aṣọ ìgbàlà á dá
And you
fúngbà.
say this is civilization.
ṣé táyé bá ń ya wèrè dandan ní kọ́mọ tiẹ̀ náà ya wèrè ní.
If the civilization is going towards hell, is it true that
ó
the son
dẹ̀
should
ró
follow the
dáadáa
truth?
pé bó lọmọ yóò ṣe ní gbalẹ̀ òkú
And
lọ́wọ́
you're
mi.
supposed to think how these children will take away the kingdom from you.
ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ wọn mọ̀ fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀
Ministers
díẹ̀
of God, I want to speak with you a
kí n
little
tó sọ ìrírí mi lọ́rùn àpáàdì.
before telling you my experience in heaven.
ẹni ẹjọ́ rò lọ́rùn gan.
You have things to say in heaven.
mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ó bi í léèrè àwọn question kan.
Don't you know God will ask some questions from
àwọn
you?
ọmọ tí ń wọṣọ tí ò dáa wọ chọ́ọ̀chì yín.
These children, members are wearing immoral clothes in your
ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀
church,
jókòó kẹ́ ẹ gbé bíbélì kalẹ̀.
and you didn't sit down to bring out the Bible.
àwọn ọmọ tí ń jẹ chingom pàlàpàlà níwájú yín nù
The
jọ
members
lọ́rùn.
eating chewing gum in the church,
ni wọ́n ṣí orí sílẹ̀ nínú
and they
church.
open their hair wide in the church.
ẹ wá ń sọ fún wọn pé God does not bother about your dressing.
You are now telling them pé Ọlọ́run kì í wo ìmúra rẹ.
ó ka bíbélì ní pásítọ̀.
Haven't you read in the Bible?
ó ní ara yín ní tẹ́ḿpìlì ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
Your body is the temple of the Lord.
ẹnikẹ́ni tí bá ba tẹ́ḿpìlì Ọlọ́run jẹ́.
He that destroyed the temple of the
òun ni
Lord
Ọlọ́run yóò parun.
is
mímọ́ ni tẹ́ḿpìlì Ọlọ́run èyí tí ẹ̀yin jẹ́.
only is the temple of the Lord which
irú
you are.
ìwàásù wo ló ń ṣe fáwọn ọmọ àwọn ọmọ àròlé ayé tí ń bẹ wájú rẹ̀.
What kind of sermon are you giving to these children in front of you?
àwọn ọmọ tó ti bóra tí ògo Ọlọ́run bó
The
sọnù
one
lára.
that has bleached their body and the glory they bleach away.
ẹ
the
wá
glory
wo
of the Lord.
immorality bó ṣe pọ̀ tó nínú ìjọ Ọlọ́run
And
lónìí.
see how immorality has been rampant in the church of the
ó
Lord.
bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ilé ó parí sọ́dọ̀ pásítọ̀.
Started in the house and ended with the pastor.
pásítọ̀ ní lè sọ fún wọn pé ìmúra rẹ yóò bá
The
fi
minister
Ọlọ́run.
of God won't be able to tell them that your dressing is not
nítorí ọrẹ àti ìdámẹ́wàá tó gbà lọ́wọ́.
because of offering and the tithe is going to cost
ẹ jẹ́ ń
you.
sọ tọ̀rọ̀ fún
Let
yín.
me share this with you.
àti dọ́run kò rọrùn.
Getting to heaven is not easy.
ó le ju àti wáyé lọ.
It is very difficult.
Ọlọ́run ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìgbésí ayé rẹ.
God had a lot to do with the
ó
way
ní
you
í
live.
ṣe pẹ̀lú ìgbésí ayé
It had a
rẹ.
lot to do with your lifestyle.
bí a ṣe kúrò ní àgọ́ àwọn jórunjórun
As soon as they left the tent
àti àgọ́ àwọn wòlíì
of the
èké.
attachment and the fake prophet,
a lọ sí àgọ́ àwọn ọmọ
the
aláìgbọràn.
man of God was taken to the tent of the disobedient
àwọn
children.
ọmọ tí ayé wọn tọwọ́ òbí wọn
were destroyed through
àwọn ọmọ
their
tí
parents.
ayé wọn tinú ìjọ Ọlọ́run bàjẹ́
Children whose lives were destroyed through the church of God.
àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
And many like that.
ṣé rí bí a ṣe déwájú tẹ́ǹtì wọn bá.
When they got in front of the tent,
Ariwo pọ̀ ń bẹ
a
yẹn
lot
sà.
of noise there.
Ọmọkùnrin kan sáré jáde.
A young boy ran out of the tent
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní
and
pariwo.
began to scream.
Ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé.
You that you are just
Ẹjọ́
coming.
ṣe gbómi
You
bọ̀.
come with water.
Omi.
You come with water.
Ẹ̀fún wa lómi.
Please give us water.
Omi.
Water.
Wọ́n á bèrè pé
And I asked,
ìwọ ọmọ kékeré kí ló wá dọ́run àpáàdì.
boy, what are you doing in hell?
Ó ní màmí náà ló rán mi lọ́rùn àpáàdì. Màmí náà ní. Màmí ló rán mi lọ́rùn àpáàdì.
Sent him to hell.
Wọ́n á bèrè pé kí lorúkọ
And
ẹ̀.
I asked what of his name.
Ó ní Ọlájíire lorúkọ mi.
And he mentioned his name.
Ibo ló ti wá.
And where did you come from?
Ó ní Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ọmọ Ìkángoṣì Èkìtì.
This is from Ikango to Ekiti.
Táìmù wo ló kúrò láyé?
When did you leave the world?
Ọlọ́run kúrò láyé ní February 4,
He left the world in February 4,
1932.
1932.
Wọ́n wá wo ọdún tó dárúkọ ẹ̀.
And I look at the year he mentioned.
Bóyá nìyá mi gan ti wọlé ọkọ ńgbà náà.
Even the mother of the man of God was not
Tó
married
ti
yet.
wà lọ́rùn àpáàdì.
And since then he had been he
Ó
been in
kúrò
hell.
láyé ní February 4,
He left the world February 4,
1932.
1932.
Ó sì lọ sọ́run
And
àpáàdì.
he went straight to hell.
At the age of 13
At the
years.
age of 13 years.
Ẹ jẹ́ ìsọtọ̀rọ̀ fún
Let
ẹ.
me tell you this truth.
Ọlọ́run ọ̀mọmọdé o.
God knows no children.
Ìjọ tó bá ti mọ́wọ́ bisikíìtì gbà lọ́wọ́ ìyá
But
rẹ̀.
the day you know how to collect money from
O lè gbowó síríìtì lọ́dá díẹ̀.
collect money from street from
Ọjọ́
the
yẹn ló ti yẹ fọ́run àpáàdì tó bá kọjá àyè rẹ̀.
Ever since then you are due for ban.
So,
You know what the Bible says?
Ó ní ayọ̀ ọmọdé ni wèrè dì sí.
That wickedness is in the eyes
Ẹgbà ni a
of
fi lé
children,
jáde
and you
ńbẹ̀.
sent it out with raw. You
Ìwọ tó ń pampa ọmọ rẹ̀.
said you are pamper your son.
Àwọn
and
ọ̀gbọ́dọ̀ fọwọ́ kan ọmọ
you
rẹ̀.
cannot touch your
Ẹgbọ́n
son.
mi sọ́jọ́ alẹ́ rẹ̀ ló ń bà á jẹ́.
Destroying his night.
Máa ronú fúnra rẹ̀ pé
Be asking
ibo
yourself,
níṣẹ́ àtiwà mi ràn ọmọ yìí
where
lọ.
will my attitude and my character will send this
Mo ní
child?
kó sọ bí màmá rẹ̀ ṣe rán wá sọ̀rọ̀
I said,
àpáàdì.
tell me how your mother sent you to hell.
Lọmọkùnrin bá tẹnu bọ̀rọ̀.
And this boy started talking.
Ó ní màmá òun ni first wife fún bàbá
He
òun.
said his mother was the first wife of his father.
Ó ní tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé bàbá òun ní oko kòkó gan.
What happened was that his father had a cocoa
Ó ní
plantation,
oko obì.
had a kola nut plantation,
Ọlọ́pẹ.
he had a palm
Àwọn
plantation,
ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá òun wá advice ẹ̀.
and the friend to the father advised him,
Ìyá Jíire, wàhálà obìnrin yìí ti pọ̀ jù.
serious mother's the trouble is too much.
Kí ló dé tó fẹ́yàwó mi kó lè máa assist ẹ̀?
Why don't you, two of them can assist you?
Ó ní bàbá àwọn dẹ̀ pé yá wọn ó sọ
And
fún.
the father called the mother,
Ó ní àwọn sọ pé kò burú òun
and,
láìkẹ̀.
and the mother said, there's no problem, she likes it.
Bóyá bàbá arákùnrin yìí ọ̀ràn tí ni o.
Maybe this man didn't remember
Pé òrìṣà jẹ́ ń péjì obìnrin ò dénú.
that two women in a household, it's not a thing of
Ó ní
pride.
bàbá àwọn lọ sí ìlú kan tí ń pè ní Ìgbàrà Òkè.
And the man went to a place mentioned
Ọlọ́rẹ̀ fẹ́ obìnrin kan tí ń jẹ́ Wúrà.
and married a lady called that name.
Ó ní njọ́ tí wọ́n mú obìnrin yìí dé.
The day they brought the woman,
Ìyá àwọn ló dá mi sí lẹ́sẹ̀.
that it was his mom that poured water on her feet.
Nígbà tí obìnrin yìí wọlé
And
tún.
when this woman got
Ìyá
inside,
àwọn wá pè sí yàrá.
the mother called this
Pé
boy,
jíire ọkọ
says,
ọ̀hún.
Jire, my son,
Ó tí bàbá rẹ̀ fẹ́
you
yìí.
see the wife your father got married to?
Àbórí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ tó ṣe wàlàpà.
Don't you see her leg?
Orí etí rẹ̀ bó ṣe fẹ̀ bí ewé
Don't you
kókò.
see her hair?
Ṣé bí bàbá rẹ̀ ọba níyàwó ṣerú eléyìí lọ́yẹ kó gbé
If
wálé?
your father will get married, is this someone of these?
Dákun ọkọ mi o.
So my husband,
Tó o bá
please,
ti sùkúrù dé.
when you come back from school,
Tí bá ń bẹ ń lé.
if she's at home,
Ẹjọ́ mọ̀ bọ̀ ló kó ní o.
make sure you come to the back
Gbogbo tí
together.
wọ́n bá sọ kọ́ jẹ́ ń gbọ́.
Everything that they discuss, you
Ìjọ
let
tí
me know.
wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀ mi tó o bá rí nǹkan kan sọ fún mi.
The day they talk about me and you didn't see anything,
O ò ní jẹran nílá
you
níjọ́ náà.
won't eat big meat.
Ọwọ́ ní kò náà lè jẹran
And he
nílá.
said because of him to eat big meat,
Àti tí wọ́n wí àti tí
and
wọ́n ò.
what they say and what they didn't talk
Òun
about.
ó sọ pé wọ́n wí.
And he's going to say everything
Ó
was
ní ilé àwọn wà ń gbóná
now
gan.
their house was being off.
Ariwo ní gè lójoojúmọ́.
Noise every day, eating every time.
Ó nínú èyí làwọn wà.
He said in these they
Tí
were,
màmá òun lọ gbàjẹ́ lé
and
lórí.
his mother had witchcraft.
Ó ní ìyá òun lọ sí ìrùn. ìlú kan tó ń jẹ́ Ìrùn.
that the mother went to a place, the place mentioned,
Ọlọ́rẹ̀ gbàjẹ́
to have the witchcraft
nítorí ìyàwó tí wọ́n fẹ́lẹ̀.
because of the second wife.
Ó ní ilé àwọn wà ń gbóná burúkú.
Now, there was problem in the house.
Ó nínú wàhálà yìí lòun wà.
That it was in that problem he is,
Tí àárẹ̀ fi ṣe òun tó
that
fi
he
kú.
fell sick and he died.
Ó ló ń dẹ̀ wá sí ọ̀run
And
àpáàdì.
he came to hell.
Wàhálà yìí ni wọ́n wà láyé.
That it was in that the same problem they
Tí
were in
ìyá àwọn
now,
náà fi kú
that his mom died
ní
too,
1937.
in 1937.
Ó ní ìyá àwọn náà wá sí ọ̀run
Now,
àpáàdì.
his mother came to her,
Mo wá bí léèrè pé
and the man of God asked him,
ìwọ ń bẹ lágọ̀ọ́ ọmọ
"You are
aláìgbọràn.
in the tent of the disobedient
Níbo
children.
nìyá rẹ̀ wà?
Where is your mother?"
Ó ní bẹ ní àgọ́ àwọn àjẹ́.
That she's in the tent of the witchcraft.
Òkè bàbá tẹ́ ẹ torí ẹ̀ kú ń kọ́.
Now the father that you died because of him,
Ó ní bàbá yẹn ti kúrò láyé
the man had left the earth
ní
in
1957.
1957.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan
Now
fún
let
ọ.
me tell you something.
Gbogbo àwọn ará ilé yín tó ti kú rí.
All the family members that have
Tó
died,
bá kú bí ọ̀túnla tí wà á kú ò láyé.
even it's 3 days before you
Kò
leave the
síbi
world,
tí wọ́n lè wà.
no matter where they can be,
Bóyá ọ̀run àpáàdì ni ẹ wà ní
whether
o.
heaven on earth
Tàbí
or hell
paradíṣe ní
or
o.
paradise,
Wọ́n ti kéde pò ń kú ò láyé lọ́túnla.
they will have announced your
Wọ́n ti
departure.
mọ̀ pé ọ fẹ́ kú ò
Now,
láyé.
they will have announced your departure that you
Èyí ló
want
fi
to
rí
leave.
arúgbó mi tó bá fẹ́ kú.
That's why you see an aged person
Tí ó máa
when you die,
dárúkọ àwọn tó ti kú.
and with mentioning names of
So
people
gbogbo àwọn
that
tó
have died.
ti lọ́yìn ó ti mọ̀ pé wọn náà ń bọ̀. Ibi tó yà sí ni ò ní yé wọn.
But where you're going to branch to is where they
Àwọn tí
will
bá ń bẹ ń paradíṣe ó máa gbàdúrà fún ọ.
those are brothers who are praying for
Ee
you.
lágbájá òde lọ́túnla o.
So person
Ọlọ́run dákun ṣàánú fún ọ.
God have mercy
Yóò
on
lè
you.
dé sọ́dọ̀ wa.
Let him be able to
Àwọn
come to
tọrun
us.
àpáàdì náà máa pariwo.
Those are in heaven
Ee
place.
lágbájá ọlọ́mọdé òde síbi táwọn wá o.
Also person is coming.
So Ọlọ́run ò yọ nǹkan kan ṣe o.
God is not doing anything in
Tó
secret.
bá máa kó láyé gbogbo fámìlì rẹ ti ń bẹ lóde ọ̀run ti mọ̀.
If you are going to leave the world, all your family that have died will know.
Mo wá bí léèrè.
And the man of God
Bó ló
asked him,
ṣe mọ yí àti bàbá rẹ kú
how did
láyé?
you know the year your father was to
Ó ní
leave
ṣe
the
bí
world?
wọ́n máa ń kéde rẹ̀.
Yeah, they used to announce it.
Òkè ìyàwó kékeré ń kọ́.
What of the second wife?
Ó lóun náà ti kú láyé
That left the world
ní late 60.
and late 60s.
Níbo làwọn méjèèjì wá
Here
wà?
are the two of them.
Ó ní bàbá àwọn àtìyàwó kejì.
They said the father and the second
Àwọn
wife,
ti lọ sí paradíṣe.
they are in paradise.
Òun àtìyá àwọn wà lọ́run àpáàdì.
Now the boy and the mother,
Ó lé kúlé lórí o.
and look at what that foolish woman died
Ọkọ
for.
tó kúlé lórí ti lọ
The
paradíṣe.
husband he died for went to paradise.
Ọmọ tó lò bí irinṣẹ́ wọ́n jọ wà lọ́run àpáàdì.
Boy used as an instrument, they were in
Ìyàwó
heaven.
tó torí ẹ̀ jowú kú ìyẹn ti lọ
The second
paradíṣe.
wife that she was jealous about is now in the
Mo wá bí
paradise.
léèrè pé
And I asked him,
báwo bàbá rẹ̀ àti ìyàwó kejì ṣe lè lọ
how
paradíṣe.
did they able to make it to paradise?
Ó nígbà tí àwọn kú láyé
Then
tán.
after they left,
Ó ní àpòsí Joseph Ayọ̀ Babalọ́lá.
then Apostle Babalola
Ó ṣe ìsọjí délùú àwọn.
had a crusade even to their
Ó
own
níbẹ̀
town.
ni bàbá àwọn àti ìyàwó kejì ti fàyè wọn fún
That was
Jésù.
the place the father and the second wife gave their life to Jesus.
Àwọn wá lọ sí
Now they
paradíṣe.
went to paradise.
Ìyàwó tó yà fàdá pa kúnyìnkún lọ tán àdánù lọ.
Now everything is now a loss.
My dear
My
mother,
parent mother,
iṣẹ́ wo ló rán ọmọ rẹ
what
nílé?
kind of message are you sending your children?
Ṣé
at
wọ́n
home?
kọ́ ló rán ọmọ ìlọ́run
Are
àpáàdì
you not
báyìí?
going to be the one to send your son
Ọmọ
and
tó
your
ti
children to
instigate
hell?
against bàbá rẹ̀.
Children you are instigating against your
Ọmọ
father.
tó ti instigate against your
The
neighbor.
one you are instigating against your neighbor.
Ọmọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ fún
The
jákújákú.
one you are telling about your about your husband for
Ó sì
anyhow.
fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ yẹn wọ
And
paradíṣe.
you want that boy to get a paradise.
Obìnrin kan ló ṣe kinní kan jọ́
A
kan
lady did something one day
tó dẹ̀ bà mí lẹ́rù.
that got me scared
Nínú ayé ń bí ni ó.
in this world. Fear.
Nígbà tí obìnrin yóò pitú,
When this woman will do her work,
ọba kówó lọ sí skul ńjọ́ kejì.
went to the school the second day
Lọ́ba tukuru sẹ́kún.
and she began to cry.
Headmistress ní mọ́mí lágbájá kí ló dé
And the
tẹ̀sí.
headmistress was like, "Why are you crying?"
Ọláyé tó ń wá iná
He
ní.
says, "This is what she
Ọkọ
came
àwọn
to.
ọ̀gbọ́n tó ń.
Your husband didn't hear about
Obìnrin
it.
òjò gbádùn.
Women didn't allow him
Kíní
to
kan
rest.
ṣe kan. Kódà gan. láti jẹta tẹ́ ti láwọn ọmọ ń skul.
From the past 3 days, he sent
ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn tó ń ṣe àmì lápapá ló ń lọ rè ké
It
bá.
was a brother at a papa that
ibẹ̀ ló ń ti yá owó
That day he
yìí.
brought this money.
làwọn bá ní ha.
He said, ha.
ọkọ rẹ̀ dẹ̀ jọ
And
ọmọlúwàbí.
your husband is a responsible
wáyé
person.
tó lè máa ṣe
How
báyìí.
can he be doing such?
àwọn gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
They collected the money.
ọwọ́ di ìrọ̀lẹ́ ọjọ́ yẹn.
Now that evening,
bàbá yìí rán ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn ọmọ yẹn kó lọ kó àwọn ọmọ yẹn ní skul.
now the father now sent the elder brother of these 2 boys
ní
to go
tíjà bá ń sọ
to
fún ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn ọmọ yẹn.
and the teacher was telling the
ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀
elder
máa bá
brother,
bàbá yín
why don't you
sọ̀rọ̀.
talk to your father?
débi pé ìyàwó wọn láti lọ́mọ yáwó
That
káàkiri.
his wife was borrowing money.
ẹ̀gbọ́n ní kí lẹ̀ ń sọ gan-an.
The elder brother was saying, what are you
níbo ni
saying?
wọ́n ti yá.
Where did she borrow it?
òun ni wọ́n rán lọ báǹkì
That
lánàá.
it was the one that was sent to the
tó
bank
lọ gba
yesterday.
41,000.
Father's account.
ọ̀yáwó bí kankan.
She didn't borrow money from
but
anywhere.
headmistress yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ kan.
And the headmistress said something.
ó ní bóyá ni obìnrin fi lè rógò lò.
He said, maybe this woman will be able to make
why
it.
damaging her husband.
Kí ló dé tó fi ń ba ọkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́?
jẹ́ kí wàá sọ kínní
Now
kan
let me
fún ọ.
tell you something.
ìwọ náà béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara ẹ̀ mọ́mì.
You should ask yourself, mother,
ibo ló fẹ́nu bá yí ọkọ rẹ jẹ́ dé.
where have you used your mouth to destroy the
ibo
life of
ló
your
fẹ́nu
husband?
bá ọ̀nà ọmọ rẹ jẹ́
Where
dé.
have you used your mouth to destroy the future of your
kó tó
son?
lè wọ paradísì.
Before you can ascend to paradise,
o ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan láti
you have a
ṣe.
lot to do.
ẹ jẹ́ lọ tààrà sínú
Let's
bíbélì.
go straight to the
mo
Bible.
ti ń bá wa sọ̀rọ̀
I've
látẹ̀kọ̀.
been speaking to us this month.
ìwé òwe
The book of Proverbs,
orí ìkeje
chapter 7.
àókẹsẹ̀ kìíní sí karùn-ún
Let's read
pàápàá.
from verse 1 to verse 5. Ọmọ mi,
ọmọ mi
pa ọ̀rọ̀ mi mọ́.
pa ọ̀rọ̀ mi
Kí o
mọ́.
sì fi òfin mi ṣe
fi
ìṣúra.
òfin mi ṣe ìṣúra.
Pẹ̀lú
Yes.
pẹ̀lú rẹ, pa
Pẹ̀lú rẹ.
òfin mi mọ́.
Aha.
Kí ìwọ kí ó sì yè.
kó o sì yè.
Àti àṣẹ mi.
àti àṣẹ mi
Bí ọmọ lójú
bí
rẹ.
ọmọ lójú rẹ.
Ìwọ̀n mọ́ ìka rẹ.
ìwọ́n mọ̀ ìka rẹ.
Ọwọ́ sí wàhálà
ọwọ́
àyà
sí
rẹ.
wàhálà àyà rẹ.
Wí fún ọgbọ́n pé
Aha.
ìwọ ni arábìnrin mi.
ìwọ ni
Kí o
arábìnrin
sì
mi.
pé òye ní
ó
ìbátan
kó
rẹ
yẹ
jẹ.
ní ìbátan rẹ
Kí
obìnrin.
wọn kí ó lè pa ọ́ mọ́.
Aha.
Kúrò lọ́wọ́ obìnrin ẹlòmíràn.
ó ti tó sà. jẹ́ ń sọ fún ọmọ ìdí àti pé ibi tí ìyá rẹ̀ ń darí rẹ̀ lọ ìparun ni ó le.
If you see that where your mother is leading you to is the place
ó
of
ṣe pé
destruction,
ìyá rẹ̀ jókòó.
why don't you call your mother?
my dear mother,
Mommy,
you cannot be instigating me against your neighbor.
ẹ lè máa kọrí mi ní ìdàkejì sí àwọn ènìyàn.
I have paradise to go.
Ọ̀run wù mí lọ.
So don't stop me from going to paradise.
Ẹ má dá mi dúró láti má dé paradíṣe.
Ìwọ bàbá.
You father,
Wọ́n ní kó lórí burúkú ọ̀nàwó kè sọ́ọ̀mà pé wọ́n ní ń pè.
they are saying someone with an ear to raise up your hand.
Ìwọ bàbá tó ṣe pé ọmọ rẹ ti máa lè rẹ.
You that your son knows your concubine or your daughter.
Ọmọ tó rán lọ́tí.
The son or the daughter you are
Ó ti ń sọ wo bàbá mi wé igbó yẹn sílẹ̀.
that marijuana before I come back.
Definitely o ti bọ́jú alẹ́ rẹ jẹ́ náà.
Definitely you've destroyed your night.
Ọmọ yìí ni fọ́tò rẹ.
These children are your picture.
Ọ̀ ń yàwòrán ni pẹ̀lú tó ń ṣe lójoojúmọ́.
You are taking a picture with what you are doing every day.
A ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀
You
gan.
have a lot to discuss.
Mo ní ìròyìn ayọ̀ kan fún
I
yín.
have a good news to share with
Ní
you.
Friday ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí,
This Friday,
Olúwa ní ká gbàdúrà kan ṣe
the
kan.
Lord asked us to have a special
Nínú
prayer
ìṣòro ọjọ́ Friday
on the
yìí.
night region Friday.
Kí ni àkọlé àdúrà náà?
What is the prayer point?
Olúwa má jẹ́ kí n sìnkú ọmọ mi.
Lord, don't allow me to bury my
Olúwa
son
ní gbogbo òbí
or my children, all parents
tó ń lọ́mọ
that have children,
tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọmọ yìí gbọ́dọ̀ ya rere.
and you know that these children must
Kí wọ́n jọ kí
something
wọ́n
good,
yọjú sínú ìṣòro yẹn ní
that they
Friday.
appear at the night vigil
I shall
Friday.
not bury my children.
Èmi ò ní sin ọmọ mi.
Olúwa ní ká gbàdúrà fún àwọn ọmọ tí a bí.
The Lord said we should pray for the children
Ká fi
here
ọ̀nà wọn lé Olúwa lọ́wọ́.
and commit their ways before the Lord.
Gbogbo agenda èṣù lórí wọn this year.
All the demonic agenda for their
Lóṣù
life
mẹ́rin tó kù yìí.
for the remaining 4
Kí
months,
Ọlọ́run kó mú kúrò
that
lórí
the
àwọn
Lord
wa.
erase it on them
Kó fi àmì ìyè lé wọn lórí.
and mark them with life.
So ìṣòro yẹn yóò bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní aago mẹ́wàá.
And the night vigil will start by
Ní
10
alẹ́ Friday ọ̀túnla.
Friday night.
Jọ̀mọ́jọ̀ ń kó wọn di ọ lọ́wọ́.
Don't allow anything to stop you.
Mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ ọ́.
I beseech you in the name of the Lord.
Ìṣòro yìí wà very important.
The night vigil is important.
Darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní United Voice of Hope.
Join us at United Voice of Hope
Evangelical Mission,
Evangelical Mission.
opposite Amuludun
Opposite
Hotel,
Amoludu Hotel.
beside Endap Filling,
Pẹ̀lú ilé epo ẹ̀dá
Owode New
Owode
Garage,
New Garage.
Àpáta Ìbàdàn.
Apart,
Mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀
I
ọ́.
beseech you in the name of the Lord.
Mo ń retí ẹ ní aago mẹ́wàá alẹ́
I'm
Friday.
expecting you on Friday night.
Ẹ ní ọjọ́ Sunday tó ń bọ̀
And
yìí.
Sunday, that this coming
A
Sunday,
bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú àṣírí
we
paradísì.
begin to reveal the secret
Ẹ
of
fún gbogbo
paradise.
ẹni tí ilé ògo wù láti
For
lọ.
everyone that desire the kingdom of
Màá
God,
sọ fún bí paradísì ti
I
rí.
will relate to you how paradise is
Pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí tó dájú.
with concrete
Ẹ
evidence.
a wà á ní pẹ́ ní ọjọ́ Sunday.
That we won't take long on
Ẹ rí
Sunday.
pé Sunday bíi mẹ́ta tó gbẹ̀yìn.
You see the last 3
Bí ká
Sundays,
parí ní 1:32.
like we end around that time.
Ṣùgbọ́n ti Sunday tó ń bọ̀
But
yìí,
this coming one,
we are closing by
we
12.
are end at 12.
Kò ní lé minute.
It won't exceed a minute.
So ọ̀rọ̀ paradísì la fẹ́ tú ní
We are
Sunday.
going to talk about paradise.
Báwo ló ṣe rí?
How does it
Ibo
look
ni
like?
paradísì?
Paradise.
Màá fún ọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí tó
I
dájú.
will tell you with concrete
Lórúkọ
evidence.
Jésù wà á débẹ̀.
In the name of Jesus, you
Ẹ
will
má
get
gbàgbé
it.
àti máa pè mí sórí aago.
Don't forget to call us
080
080
36 36
3636
5718.
5718.
Ẹ máa subscribe sórí
You can
YouTube
likewise
wa
subscribe to our YouTube
at
channel
Oríadé Media
at
Network.
Oriade Media Network. Be with us.
Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí má gbàgbé.
Once again, don't
Alẹ́
forget
Friday ọ̀túnla.
Friday night
Sunday tí ń bọ̀.
and this coming
Má
Sunday.
mísì méjèèjì.
Don't miss the two.
A ó pàdé láyọ̀.
We'll meet